In this video, I'll show you how to buy Robux with GCash on mobile. So whether you're on iPhone or Android, here's how you can do it. First, instead of opening the Roblox app, you want to go to the Roblox website, so roblox.com. From there it will say continue in app, but instead what you want to do is click on continue in browser right under that, and that will take you to the browser website of Roblox. Now here, if it doesn't do it automatically, just gonna sign into your Roblox account. And then from there, you want to go and click on the Robux icon in the top right, and then there click buy Robux. Now from here, just gonna select whichever one of these packages you want to get. For example, I'll select the one at the bottom here. And then from here, what you want to gonna do is for the payment type, select other. Then from here you can see a few available options, but this is for the country I'm in. But what you can also go and do is just click on the search icon at the top and then go to search for GCash. And then here under payment methods you will find GCash, so go and select it. And then here click pay now, and it will then redirect you to GCash. Now for me it doesn't work since I'm not from the Philippines, but from there you can then go and pay using GCash. So after you have paid, they will then be added to your Roblox account, which you can then also use within the app. So that's how to buy Robux with GCash on mobile. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.